Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of nature photography tips and tricks. So, grab your camera, and let's get started. One of the most essential tips for capturing stunning landscape photos is to use a wide-angle lens. This will help create a more impressive image and make your foreground elements appear larger. Trust me, it's a game changer. Now, when it comes to shooting at sunset or sunrise, remember to switch your camera settings to manual mode. This will ensure that you have full control over your exposure and can capture the perfect shot. When shooting in bright outdoor conditions, consider using a neutral density filter. This handy tool will help balance the light in your photo and prevent overexposure. I can't stress enough how useful this is for landscape photography. Lastly, always shoot in RAW format whenever possible. This allows you to make adjustments to your photos without compromising on quality or image size. It's a great way to experiment with different settings and techniques. I hope you find these tips useful in your journey as a nature photographer. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, happy shooting!